Welcome back. Today we are going to build the Lego Ideas Polaroid one-step camera. This is an 18 plus set number 21345, 516 pieces. This set includes the camera, film cartridge, and 3 photos. This camera has action where when you push the shutter button, the film ejects from the camera just like on the actual Polaroid. Looks like this set includes 4 building steps or bags. And it includes the manual, the 3 Polaroid images, sticker sheet. Since this is a Lego Idea set, we have a section about meeting the fan designer, Mini Brick Productions, who's a mechanical engineering student in California. We have the representation of the inventor, Edwin Land, and his representation on the actual one of the photos that is used. And then we get started with the build of the film cartridge in bag 1.